Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a suggestion that I got sent in on my Instagram. If you don't follow it, I'll link it here somewhere so you can follow it. I haven't done the suggestions in a while because I was waiting for a bunch of makeup to come in, and then it took forever to come in, and then I forgot about it, to be quite honest. So I'm back to doing suggestions. So if you guys have any, send them in to my Instagram. I have the little template so you can draw on the eyeshadow in my story highlights. So do that, please, so that I have content to post, because right now I have nothing, honestly. My life is in shambles, so I need you now more than ever. Help me, please. Okay, anyways, so let's get into the video. Hopefully it comes out okay. You'll find out, because if it doesn't come out okay, you'll never see this. So the look that I got sent in, I'm still like new to like editing and stuff, so I don't know if there's a way for me to like include it somewhere over here. If I can figure it out, it'll be here. If not, it's a purple eyeshadow look. So I'm sorry, I'm new, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying my best, okay? So I'm going to be using two palettes actually, and both of these are very affordable. So the first one I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. J Kissa palette, and then the other one is the James Charles Morphe palette. This is like the mini version, but I think it's the same, and I'm pretty sure this is like 13 bucks, and I'm pretty sure this is also about that same price, maybe more. I honestly don't remember. But so these are the palettes that I'm using, so fingers crossed this turns out well. So I'm going to be starting with purple. This is a purple look. I have purple liner. I wonder if it'll look good. It's like a light purple. We might use this, so I don't know. So I'm just gonna start with some dark purple in my crease. I'm trying to like get my life together right now. Anyways, yeah, I don't know. I woke up this morning, I thought it was gonna be a good day because I woke up early on my own and I worked out while I was in class because everything is online because of coronavirus. So yeah, it was like on Zoom, but I just muted myself and worked out. And then I feel like that threw my whole day off for some reason. I don't know if it was because I didn't eat before working out. That honestly could be it. But yeah, I just felt tired like all day today. I was watching a video today on YouTube of like things I wish I knew when I like started my YouTube channel or whatever, and the girl was saying like you can't do like a get to know me because nobody cares about you yet because you're a nobody. And I was like, wow, that's so true, you know? A lot of you, if you're not my friend, have no idea who I am, and if you found this video just searching through YouTube, you're probably like, I honestly don't care what you're talking about. But My problem is that I talk too much. Like, once I start talking, I can't stop. So yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna keep talking, unfortunately. But anyways, right now I'm just cutting my crease. So I'm just gonna pack this purple onto my lid where I cut the crease out. I think I'm gonna add white eyeliner right there. I'm also gonna do, or try to do, purple, but again, we'll see how that goes. Could go horribly wrong, and this look could be done for, but I'm hoping for the best right now. I've been wanting to do a purple look actually, because it reminds me of the Kourtney Kardashian cover that she just came out with, the magazine cover. I think it was Vogue, I don't know from where, I don't remember from what country, but she had this like amazing purple eyeshadow, and it was like glossy and beautiful, and I've been wanting to do that, but then I remembered I haven't done any suggestions that I've been sent in a while. So if this is your first time watching this and you've gotten this far, or if this is your first time watching me and you've gotten this far, please subscribe to my channel, please. I would really appreciate that. And also, thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really, really appreciate that. So I'm going to line. Let's see how this goes. I'm so nervous. I feel like the purple on top almost matches the purple on the lip too much, but I've already come this far, so I don't know. Let's hope for the best. Okay, should I do my wing now or wait until after I do? I'm gonna do my foundation and then I'm gonna go and do the wing, because I can't even breathe right now. That's how nervous I am. But I am gonna put lashes on because that fixes everything. I know that for a fact. So, the bigger the lash, the more it hides your mistakes. That's what I like to say. It's the motto I live by. So now I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. putty primer and just prime my face. So then I'm gonna take the NARS Radiant Foundation, Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, which is my favorite foundation, and just gonna go in with that. But I'm just concealing with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand. So I got this little like blush. It's like a cream butter lip and cheek balm. So I'm gonna try it out. I haven't used it yet, so let's see how this goes. I'm gonna go in with this purple Shockwave. I didn't do the purple liner, by the way. I got too nervous, and I feel like these lashes are kind of too drama, and this purple is really light, so I feel like I would have to use a different color. But I'm gonna go in with this. I feel like I did this video really backwards today, and I don't know why. But I'm just gonna highlight with the Champagne Pop highlighter. love my nose highlighted. And I still have to wipe away this big, but it's fine. Okay, now I'm going to wipe away the bake, and this is the finished look. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the video, if you like it or not, and thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I appreciate it, honestly. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and like the video because I would appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll be back with another video. Also, don't forget on my Instagram, if you want to give me a look to draw, I have the little template in my story highlights. I think it's like the first one. I'm pretty sure it says template on the story highlights. So if you guys want to draw me a look for me to try, let me know. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.